Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I am again with you with a product study. It's not an unboxing and it's not a review. Just keep in mind, it's just a study. So the product data is that I have taken for study is WD-40. So let me give you a brief introduction. Or those who there are many people who are familiar with WD-40. Those people will be engineers, technicians, or mainly working in maintenance as well as workshop field. For them, WD-40 is like an angel for them. It is used in multiple products. It makes their major Herculean task into very simple one. So that is why WD-40 is favorite for everyone, every engineers and technicians who are in the field of maintenance, as well as working in a workshop. Wherever you go, wherever workshop you go in the world, or everywhere in the world, there will be no workshop without WD-40 because it is one of the mandatory items that we can see everywhere, every workshop. So okay, for those who do not know WD-40, you can watch this study video, and we'll be just going through the application where the WD-40 can be used, and its mm, uh, and uh, and its application method, how can be applied and where it can be applied. um, Maybe not only in workshop, maybe we can still find it in many household, many houses also, because those who are those who do how domestic maintenance, so only they will be uh, having WD-40 in their house. So we'll go to the product study. So now, first of all, first we are going to just study what is written around the can of WD-40. Okay, so you can see WD-40 is written over here, and it is the product name, and there's also a trademark. Okay, so trademark of WD-40. The it's very pleasantly written, and it's this logo is familiar for the technical people also, and it's written multi-use product, and they have brief explanation what it can do. Okay, what all application it can do, it's a brief explanation written over here. If you want to stop squeeze, WD-40 can be applied over there. If you want to remove the moisture, WD-40 can be applied. Clean and protect, if you want to, if there is a product if there is a machinery, if a part of machine that is not clean and it to be protected by foreign agents, you can use WD-40. It's a better. And rusted parts, loosens the rusted parts. The You can see the uh, nut and bolt fixtures for many machineries. They will be bolted to bolted. So if you, at the time of maintenance, if you want to dismantle the machine, the nut and bolt should be removed. But due to the aging, this nut and bolt cannot be removed easily. Okay, this nut and bolt cannot be removed easily. So at this time, in order to make it loosen, this WD-40 is first applied, because the rusted portion first is cleaned off, then it is easy to remove the nut and bolt, and it frees sticky mechanisms. If anything, if something if the machine, if the machine parts consists of movable and non-movable parts. So if there is a movable part and that movable part is not operated for a certain period, it gradually have tendency to uh, be unmoved if it is operated suddenly. Okay, in that case, due to friction, it may get damaged. So before that, in order to make it smooth, we can use this WD-40. For example, what we can say, the bearings of motors. If the light duty bearings that is not lubricated and it is left behind for many years, and we want to start that motor suddenly, and if you start that motor suddenly, you can hear the bearing sound. Most of the case, maybe bearing has no issues, and the sound is due to the lack of lubrication. So at that time, WD-40 is a better solution and fast remedy solution. Okay, these are the briefing of where it can be used. So when you look at this briefing, we can see how important this WD-40 for a workshop or for any facility and for any person that is doing maintenance work in any field, mechanical, electrical, everything. This mainly mechanical and electrical peoples, or the engineers or the technicians will have this WD-40 with them, because it is a must for in case of electrical, to clean the for the electrical people, for cleaning the terminals. This terminal get corroded, so the electrical, and due to that corrosion, hot spots will come. So in order to avoid this hot spot, to avoid this causes, they will clean the terminal with WD-40. So WD-40 is very much useful for this two people working in this departments, electrical and mechanical. Uh, and let us turn back, and at the top it is written point arrow towards the mark. So what does it mean? That if you open the cap, there is a arrow mark here. I think it's visible to everyone, and this arrow mark where the nozzle is, you can see the nozzle, and this arrow mark should be pointed towards the object that should be lubricated or cleaned, or such and so. So this is the point, this is the mark that should be pointed towards the object that to be or the this is the mark that should be pointed towards the specimen that would be clean or further. So what next, coming to the bottom, again logo is there, and the product slogan, something multi-use product such and so it's written, and there's picture shown over here, indicating the application where it can be used. It is shown a lock, key lock. Normally key lock, when it is left behind without use for many years, get rusted, and their mechanical parts, moving parts get stuck. So in order to lubricate it, in order to make it free from rust, WD-40 can be directly applied. And next, the tools, workshop tools. There are many workshop tools that get what we can say, that get jammed, or some workshop tools that is not frequently used may also get jammed due to unusing. So this WD-40 can be directly applied to the point or the junction, or the or the area where the mechanical movement is applied, and can recover the tool properly. Okay, this is the picture indicating that it can be used in tools, hand tools. And the next picture which is shown, it can be used in to lubricate, I think it is a car igniter. It's a electrical part where It is a electrical device connect in petrol engines to ignite the petrol for combustion. I think it can be used to clean the spark plugs in the car, because spark plugs due to sparking get carbon deposit on the point, on the sparking area, on that contact, on the spark gap. So in order to clean the carbon deposit, we can use WD-40. It's a very efficient method, and um, it is widely used for this application. And the last one, it is written, what is it? It is showing a rotary equipment, spraying towards the rotary equipment. The rotary equipment, as we can say, they mainly used rotary device or the equipment is the bearing. Bearing is a very sophisticated, or what if you ask to me, is a very important part of a rotating machine. So if the bearings quality defines the efficiency of a rotating machine. If bearings damage, the entire operation of a rotating machine, whether it's a motor, engine, or anything, will be affected. So if with WD-40 we can lubricate the rotating part or the bearing efficiently, remove the dirt, remove the rust, and can recover that machine's efficiency and smooth operation. This is what it is indicating. Coming again to the bottom, and there's a it is written for thousands of use at work and around the home. So it is the maker of WD-40 states that it can be used for 1,000 different kinds of work around uh, the home, as well as for 1,000 types of work and around the home. That means 1,000 types of work, and also it can be applied in a domestic application also. That's why I earlier said this WD-40 can be seen in workshop as well as in some homes who is doing their own home maintenance work alone. Okay. Then coming to next, they are describing the earlier points. You have seen the earlier points here, 1 2 3 4 5 points, and they are this is briefly written, and they are describing each points with an example. For stops, at first it is written stops, squares, and what it means, that what it does is that it penetrates, this WD-40 penetrates and lubricates hinges means of that of door, windows, castros, spring, as you all know, taps, the plumbing taps, valves, door handles, windows. There are many mobile parts in windows doors. It can be used. Pedals means it's also a moving part. A cycle pedal is very much familiar. And office chairs. Office chair, that means it's a mechanical chair which has pneumatic operation. Maybe most of them who are in working in office have familiar with this office chairs. And next is the dry out moistures. So where it is the application of dry out moisture is dries out water on the metal surface. For example, as I told, electrical contacts, there maybe electrical terminals contacts have water moisture in it, and that may affect the efficiency of the electrical system or electrical operation. So that can be removed by applying WD-40. Car igniters, as I earlier mentioned, tools, garden, and they have mentioned in bracket including garden tools. Okay. Motorcycle engines and outboard motors. So in this area wherever there is a moisture content, we can't remove it by WD-40. Moisture contents is written over here clearly. Now next point is cleans and protects. What it can be? It can clean crayon marks, crayon marks can be removed. Grease, surely unwanted grease presence in the mechanical part can be removed. Tar, some automobile or vehicle which is involved in carrying tars, they can be removed. Gum, adhesives, this all things can be removed by using WD-40. So how it removes, loosens, and then it is written loosens hard water deposits, leaves protective film against rust and corrosion. Corrosion and rust, as I earlier mentioned, on bikes, chrome parts, motorcycles, outboards, motors, and tools. This all can be removed. And the next point is loosens rusted parts. Loosens rusted part. So thoroughly what it is written, we can just go through. Thoroughly penetrates and loosens rusts. So loosens rust part means it is mainly what it is indicating. This point is indicating that any removable item that cannot be removed due to aging or unused can be removed. The main cause is the rust. So first, when we apply WD-40, it removes the loosened rust and penetrate into the contact where it should be loose. Then automatically we can loosen. Corroded and sized nuts, bolts, control cables, and other fasteners. What as you all understand, I think everybody can understand what it is written. Corroded and sized nuts. Corroded nuts, corroded nuts and bolts that are used to clamp big machineries to their bed. Nuts and bolts are used. So if you want to remove the machine from its bed to the maintenance workshop, we need to unbolt this machine from its bed. So if it is not removed for the past for example 5 years, 10 years, it is not easy to unbolt it. So at that time we can use this WD-40, apply it for certain minutes, and you can easily unscrew it, unbolt it. And it is written cables and other fasteners. So in cable also same issues happen. When cable is connected to a terminal and we want to disconnect the cable for a maintenance or some other purposes for testing, we need to unscrew the bolt. So if we cannot unscrew it easily because maybe it is terminated 10 or 5 years back, it is not easy to unbolt it or unscrew it. So for that, before doing unscrew, we may if we do not do sufficient lubrication and unscrew it, it may damage the entire cable terminal, and we should do the termination again for cables. So in order to avoid that, we first apply WD-40, wait for some minute, and then unbolt it. So that is why it is written cables and other fasteners. Other fasteners can be anything, any movable object that is used for fastening can be easily what we can say can be easily removed by applying WD-40 for the maintenance purpose. Then the last point is freeze sticky mechanisms. What it means that there's an example is written unjams. What is jam? Jam means when two moving object moving object became unmovable due to some a reason. Maybe that reason is due to lack of lubrication, or something penetrated into the moving portion, such and such, so get jammed and lubricates the door lock. That is jams. So we can remove the jams, and you can lubricate the door locks, zippers, jacket zippers. We can, if the zippers are not efficiently working, you feel uncomfortable when opening and closing, when it shows certain friction, we can apply WD-40 over there. Sewing machine, we can apply it on motor bearings, on other moving part of sewing machine. Controls, linkages and cables. These are the application, and each application they have given examples where it can be used, and at bottom it is shown how it should be used. Direction of use. So direction of use, it is written, shake can before use. We should shake the can properly before use. Keep in mind, WD-40, we should shake the can before you use. Saturate area to be treated and allow to soak. Okay, just uh, uh, what we first shake the WD-40 well, and just saturate the area. Just apply it one coat and let it soak. Let it soak for a minute. And it is written, do not wipe off. Do not wipe off the WD-40. Let it be there. Let it get soaked. And after it thoroughly gets soaked, you can do what you can. If, for example, if there's a nut and bolt that we should unbolt the nut, just apply at the portion of nut and bolt, let it get soaked, let the rust get loosened, and apply this spanner and loosen it slowly. This is the way of removing using this WD-40. For better results, spray the can upright or upside down. You can use this upright or upside down. They are not preferring any kind of angle. They are using, either use it upright or upside down for efficient spraying. Maybe, I don't know why, there may be some kind of scientific reason to be explained, but I do not know. If anybody knows, please mention on the comment. And do not spray it on its side. Sidewise, it's not recommended for spray. So what are the, then next portion, it is indicated what are the danger it can cause. Caution symbol and fire symbol. It is from the symbol, it is understood that it is combustible material. It can cause fire if it is not used properly or by a skilled technician. It may harm himself and the entire machineries or facility whatsoever itself. So they are they are informing the what may be the causes, if it is the causes are, may cause drowsiness or dizzying if it is directly applied. If we if a human come exposed with this WD-40, he may feel drowsiness and dizzying. Extremely flammable. It is written extremely flammable. It is a pressurized container, and if it is heated, it may burst. That are the thing, and they are given certain medical advices what should be do if any of the above scenario occurs. If a and it is written, it is clearly written to keep out of children. Do not Other than unskilled person and other than skilled person, nobody should use for a better. And after this it is written, WD-40 has been silicon free since first invented over 60 years ago. It is silicon free from the first invented, and it is over 60 years this product has been launched, and it is made in Kingdom. And there is a barcode here, and the can capacity it is written 330 ml 520, and at the bottom we can see the expiry date. It is manufactured in 2020, it will be expired in 2025, and there will be normally a long nozzles attached to it, but unfortunately I lost it. So this is the product study of WD-40. Hope you guys got little bit idea of what is WD-40 and how it is applicable. Okay, thank you, and we'll see again with another product study. Thank you.